In this video, I'll be sharing with you a list of businesses you can do this year that are very lucrative and has high yield returns. Number one on my list is currency trading or currency exchange. Every day, people are moving from one country to the other. Every day, people are buying products from one country to another country. Every day, people are making international payments and they need to exchange currency. So if you key into that, you are going to make a whole lot of money from it. Number two is sales of health products. Now, you don't necessarily have to be a medical personnel before you can do that. You can employ a medical personnel or you get a license to do it. Once you get a license to sell health products, I can tell you there's a lot of money in that field. Number three is opening a fitness center or gym. Every day, people are looking to stay fit and be in shape. So if you open a fitness center at a strategic location, you will seriously make a whole lot from it. Number four on my list is agriculture, focusing on livestock. We have three basic needs of human: food, clothing, and shelter. Now, agriculture falls under food. That is the reason why if you key into agriculture or you go into agriculture, you will seriously make a whole lot of money from it. Number five on my list is logistics. Globally, logistics is a huge business. On a daily basis, people are moving products from point A to point B and they need somebody who can do that for them. So logistics is a very lucrative business as you can key into it to start helping people to move products, items from one point to the other, and you get paid. Number six on my list is laundry and dry cleaning business. This business has been in existence for a very long time, but I can tell you that even till today, it's still very much lucrative. But once you are coming into laundry and dry cleaning service, you just need to design something that will make you look very much different and your approach. I can tell you it's a very lucrative business and is not so capital intensive, so you can give it a shot. The next on my list is car wash. Car wash is a business that never runs out. You just need to have a space and some few equipment and then you are good to go. It's a very lucrative business. I can advise anyone to go into it. The next on my list is real estate. Just like I said, that the three basic human needs is food, clothing, and shelter. Now, real estate is indirectly connected to shelter. So whether you like it, whether people like it or not, they will definitely need somewhere to call a home. They will definitely need somewhere to lay their heads, and that is where you can come in with real estate. So the next on my list is waste management. This business over time has a shortage of supply of people who can offer the service. But I can tell you that the business is a very lucrative one. Now, where you are right now, look at the amount of money you pay monthly to waste management. Look at the amount of money you pay for people who are coming to take care of the trash, and then do a calculation of the total number of houses in your locality. Now, when you do that calculation, multiply it by that amount and then ask yourself what that is amounting to at the end of the month, and then you can tell that that business, waste management, is a very lucrative one, although it may be capital intensive where you will need the waste vehicle. But apart from the waste vehicle, every other thing in that business, apart from the waste vehicle that can be expensive, nothing else is expensive. Very lucrative business. You can do it, you can give it a shot. Number 10 on my list here is sales of solar equipment. The world is gradually moving from the conventional way of generating electricity or harnessing power to harvesting solar energy. Now, you can key into that change. So you can just key into it, buy solar devices like the batteries, the inverters, and then you begin to sell it. You will make a whole lot of money from it. The next one is clothing. Both the rich and poor, they wear clothes. So clothing is a basic need that everyone no matter the class, is in need of. So you can go into it and make good money from it. And then the last on my list is printing and signage. Now, this business is a very, very lucrative business, but you have to be close to some specific organizations like a school, a higher institution, or a law firm. With that, once you are strategically positioned, you will make a whole lot of money from it, because on a daily basis, people are printing something, people are designing something, you can make a whole lot of money from it. So from all of these businesses I've listed, you can give any of them a trial, and I promise you that by the end of this year, you will see a huge growth in your financial level.